Just got an update from B&W in terms of the first bit that I think will hopefully fix this speaker. So the quote they've given me is for this section here, which is the motor and diaphragm without the grill, so without this bit here. And all I have to do, I can just show you, is remove this section. And then I have to take out these two terminals and then hold this section and this section in separate hands and twist that way after taking this out, so this whole thing slides out, and then I can just hold onto this firmly, you know, and then twist this off, screw them back on, make sure the polarity is correct, put in the terminals, put it back together, and then see if that solves the problem. Now I'm hoping that just the tweeter will fix the fuzzy, funky mid-range. I'm slightly optimistic that this will solve the problem, but what I do know is they're on the same crossover network. So there's two crossover networks in this, one specifically for bass and one specifically for treble and mid, so they are connected together on one board inside the speaker. So I'm hoping that at this stage just changing the tweeter will fix everything, optimistically. If not, it's on to the next thing and start looking at either the mid-range or the crossover itself. But for now, I've ordered this part. It's £100 plus shipping from B&W in the UK, so it was actually a UK person that got back in touch, even though it went, I don't know why they farmed out the inquiry to a North American distribution centre, but it's certainly the UK company themselves, and why not? They're the ones actually physically making the thing. So anyway, so this little ring here with a diaphragm, its voice coil, the motor assembly, which is all inside this plastic ring. That's £100, and from there, hopefully nothing else. Hopefully, I doubt it. We'll see. I'll put it back together and then I'll make another video showing exactly how I've got on with the repair, and then I'll just test it, run a frequency sweep through it, see if it measures correctly. If it doesn't, obviously on to the next fix. These are the frequency response graphs for the speaker when working and when broken. Someone specifically asked to see this, and just by pure coincidence, when the speaker broke, that's what was actually occurring when it broke. So I was taking a frequency response measurement after making a few adjustments to the system, testing them, saw that it was all fine, and then heard on one of the sweeps after changing something, the roll-off, i.e. you can hear it getting less and less loud in the high frequency. So I glanced across at the graph and saw what you can see on screen now, which is the tail end of the mid-range unit functioning or otherwise, giving out the last bits of the high frequency, which is typically taken over by the treble unit or tweeter. So there you go, that's a frequency response to actually show you visually what no frequencies at the top end looks like. It's not exactly exciting, but someone did specifically ask me to show this, so there it is. Very exciting stuff. I've been Nathan Oakley, and I'll see you all in the next video.